Here I have OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So to do this, firstly let's open settings, then you should go to the system settings and then to the accessibility. Then switch to vision, and here you can find TalkBack. So after you enable it here, TalkBack tutorial starts immediately and it starts talking non-stop, so just for you to know.
TalkBack on. Gestures for certain features are now disabled. Welcome to TalkBack. Welcome to TalkBack. Page 1 of 5. TalkBack is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. You can turn TalkBack on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds. When TalkBack is on, the focused item on the screen is spoken out loud. Swiping right will move to the next item, and swiping left will move to the previous item. Swipe right now to find the next button. TalkBack has been updated. Tap to find out more.
So as you could hear, this mode is made mostly for people with blindness and some other vision problems who have difficulty seeing the screen. And it works the way that it speaks out loud contents on your screen. So it doesn't matter if you tap on some sign or on some text bubble or on some like button, this section will get spoken out loud, just like this.
Close button. Double tap to activate.
So as you could also hear, to operate in this mode, after you select a certain action and it gets spoken out loud, to confirm it you will have to double tap anywhere on the screen like this.
Close tutorial.
So you tap close,
button,
double tap.
TalkBack. Navigate up, button.
So for example, if you want to
Double tap
disable,
activate.
you just tap on the switcher,
TalkBack. Check.
double
Turn off
tap,
TalkBack.
stop,
Stop.
please.
TalkBack off.
And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.